All right, guys, this is the last part of the calculator features. This is part 3, finding the y-intercept. Okay, so we're still working with the same function, 2x squared plus 11x plus 10. Okay, remember we get it from the sheet. This is the sheet we did in class. So now we're going to find the y-intercept. Okay, so if you haven't already, plug it in, 2x squared plus 11x plus 10. Remember the x is next to the green button. The squared is 3 down from the green button. Okay. So 2x squared plus 11x plus 10. Once you're done, hit graph. Okay. Now we want to find the y-intercept. All right. Now the y-intercept is where it crosses where the graph crosses the y-axis. Okay. Sometimes you might not be able to see where it crosses in your window, which is okay though, because we're not going to use the graph to figure out a y-axis. This is probably the easiest one because we're going to find it using the table. All right. So instead of hitting second trace, we're going to hit second and then graph. Okay, because we want the table. All right. Now I think the calculator's default is to start when x is 0, and that is actually where we need to be. Okay. So when x is 0, that means we are on the y-axis because we're not moving left or right. All right. So when x is 0, that is your y-intercept. All right. So once you find where x is 0, then you have your answer. Okay. That's your x value and that's your y value. X value, y value. Okay. So it'll be 0, 10. So we go back to our sheet and we put it in. 0, 10, and you're done. Okay, no boundaries, no tracing, no nothing. Okay, again, this is probably the easiest one you'll find. All right, once you find where x is 0, then that's where your y-intercept is. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.